How to download Windows 10 ISO without the media creation tool. Open Google Chrome, type Windows 10 download in the address bar, and press enter. Click the official Microsoft Download Windows 10 Disk Image, ISO file page. If you only see the Update Assistant or Media Creation tool, click the three dots in Chrome, go to More Tools, then Developer Tools, or press Ctrl+Shift+I. Click the Toggle Device Toolbar icon to enable Mobile View, then refresh the page and close Developer Tools. Now scroll down to Select Edition, choose Windows 10, Multi-Edition ISO, and click Confirm. Next, select your preferred language, such as English International, and click Confirm again. Finally, click 64-bit download or 32-bit download, depending on your PC. Your Windows 10 ISO will start downloading directly. No media creation tool needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more tech tutorials.